Good morning, students. Okay, students, are you listening digital classes regularly? Okay, and in our previous class we discussed about one topic. Okay, and in that one I given to you homework also. Did you complete the homework? Did you write in your textbook? Yes. Okay, students, listen carefully daily. Okay, regularly you have to listen digital classes and follow the teachers what they are giving homework, and you have to do complete homework. You have to complete your homeworks with pencil. Okay, and those who not by textbooks, by textbooks. And while you are watching video digital class, then you have to put textbook with you. Then easy is there for you. Okay, and last time we discussed about types of occupations. Okay, in that one I given you one homework. What is that homework? Page number 10. Is it right? Page number 10 is there, that one. Practice June 1. Practice June 1. See, first one. A statement given below is followed by two conclusions. Okay? Underline the correct conclusion. Two conclusions given to you. Conclusion 1, conclusion 2 given to you. Okay? So, which is the correct conclusion? You have to do underline. See, statement given to you. Occupations can be categorized in three types. Is it right or not? Already we discussed the three types of categories are there. Occupations categorized in three types: primary occupation, secondary occupation, tertiary occupation. Is it right? So that is the statement. Conclusion 1 given to you. What is that? Primary, secondary and tertiary are the three types of occupation. This is conclusion 1. And conclusion 2, what is that? Primary, secondary and agricultural are the three types of occupation. So in these two conclusions, which is the correct conclusion? Conclusion 1 is the correct or conclusion 2 is correct? Did you complete the answer? Yes. Which one you did underline? Yes. Conclusion 1 is the correct answer. Conclusion 1. Like this is the conclusion 1. So you have to do underline like this. Okay? In that one, what is the primary, secondary and tertiary are the three types of occupations. This is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. And this is the first answer. Second answer given to you. What is the second answer? See, find and write some more examples related to primary, secondary and tertiary occupations. More examples. You have to write more examples. So here the primary occupation. See, answer is primary occupation. See, examples what are they? Bee farming, and mining. These are the two examples. Okay. And second one, secondary occupation. Okay, in that one example, what are they? Shoe factory, and milk dairy. Shoe factory and milk dairy. Territory. Examples: government organizations, non-government organizations, doctors, teachers, postman, policeman, like that, whatever it writes examples. This is the second answer. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to discuss. If you want to check the answer, I written on the board. No. If you want to check the answer, means you have to put pause the video. Put in the pause your video and you have to check the answer after that. Okay na? If it is going continuous means how it is possible? It's not possible to see you. Okay na? Yes. Now today's topic we are going to discuss another topic that is about primary occupation. Okay. Primary occupation. Primary occupation. Okay. See, in primary occupation, people are directly involved in the extraction of raw materials from the environment. Already we discussed. So, in the primary occupation, what will happen? Raw materials are producing by the nature. So, people are directly involving in this occupation. So, that is called primary occupation. So, in that one, what type of occupations are there in the primary occupation? First one is farming. What is that? Farming. Do you know farming? Who is doing farm work? Who is doing farm work? Yes, farmers. See that one. Most of the population of India lives in villages. Already we know. Where we are living? Lives in India. Lives in villages. In India, if you see, most people are living in villages. Where they are living? Most people are living in villages. Farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. So those who are living in villages, what they are doing, what type of works they are doing? Mainly they are doing farming. What they are doing? Farming or agriculture. Farming or agriculture. People those who are living in villages, they are doing only farm work or agricultural work. Most people are living in villages only in our country. Is it clear? Yes. The farmers grow crops which includes grains, pulses, spices, fruits and vegetables. So farmers are living in the villages, they are doing farm work or agriculture work. But what type of crops? What type of crops they are growing in their fields? They have particular place. Is it right or not? So in that particular place, they are growing different types of crops. Is it right? Like paddy, wheat, cotton, chili, red chili, okay? Like that different types of other pulses, cereals, like that they are growing. And some farmers are growing especially fruit crops like mango, orange, banana, papaya, like that. They are the fruit crops. And some farmers are there, they are growing only vegetables. Do you know vegetables? Green leafy vegetables are there, general vegetables are there, tomato, like that, okay? Tomato, bottle gourd, ginger, like that, they are growing. Okay, spices, ginger means spices, garlic, ginger, like that. Okay, so they are growing, okay? They are growing different types of crops. Farmers, examples, what are they? Grains. They are growing grains, different type paddy, wheat, like that, other red gram, green gram, or okay. Pulses means that only red gram, green gram, Bengal gram, like that. Pulses, spices, red chili, okay, ginger, garlic. These are all called spices. Okay na? And fruits fruits and vegetables and vegetables and vegetables. So these crops, all crops are growing by the farmers. So these farmers are doing one work, no? That is called farming. That is called farming. Okay. Yes. So in the primary occupation, this is one of the work, farming. This is involving in the primary occupation. What is that? Farming. Clear? Next. Another one also involving in the primary occupation, that is rearing animals. Rearing animals. Rearing is growing animals. Especially we are growing some animals for particular purpose. Okay? Yes. What are they? See? In that one, some are there, different animals are rearing. Okay? In that one, dairy farming. Dairy farming. Rearing animals means we are growing different types of animals. Why we are growing different types of animals? To specific works purpose. Okay now. So with the help of that animals we have some uses. So that purpose we are growing animals, that is called rearing animals. So in them especially dairy farming. So dairy products purpose we are growing some animals, some different animals. From them we are getting dairy products. Okay. What are the see? Dairy farming is one of the most important occupations. This one also one of the most important occupation. Most important occupation in our country. Okay. And why it is most important occupation in our country? So in this dairy farming we are getting milk. Means we are using milk large quantity. Okay. Milk is required in large quantity. In the dairy farming mainly we are producing milk only from the animals. Milk is required large quantities in large quantities. Got it? So dairy farm. Here we are discussing about rearing animals. Rearing animals means growing animals. So we are growing different types of animals for different works purpose. In that one, dairy farming is there. Okay. Dairy farming is dairy. Dairy means dairy products. So first of all, we are getting in the dairy milk. From the milk, we are getting different types of milk products. Dairy products. So here dairy farming also most important occupation. And why it is important occupation? Milk is required in large quantity in our country. That is why it is one of the. It is also most important occupation. Most important occupation. And that is why we are growing. How we are getting this milk? How we are getting this milk? Yes, from the cows. From the cows. Cows and buffaloes. Okay. So how we are getting this milk? Of cows and buffalo. From the cows and buffaloes we are getting this milk. That is why what type of animals we are growing in the dairy farming? Especially cows and buffaloes. We are growing these animals in the dairy farming. From them we are getting milk. And some members are using goats also. Goat milk also using, but rarely people are using. But mainly, which animals milk is we are using nowadays? Mostly we are using cows, buffaloes milk. Rarely goat milk also some members using. Okay. And so dairy farming is involving mainly rearing of cows and buffaloes. That is why this dairy farming is involving on cows and buffaloes. That is why we are growing cows, buffaloes in this dairy farming. So that is why we are getting milk. So this milk is we are using large quantity in our country. From the milk we are getting other dairy products, buttermilk, curd, cheese. Okay, like that we are using other things also. Okay, so this is about dairy farming. Clear? Next. Understood everyone? Yes, another one is in this primary occupation, cattle farming. This one also in the rear farming only. Rearing animals only is there. This is one of the part. This is cattle farming. Cattle farming. Do you know cattle? Cattles. Do you have an idea on cattles? Cattles means we are saying animals. Pashuvulu. We are saying pashuvulu. Okay na? So cattle farming. So see that. Cattle farming involves rearing cattle like cows and bullocks. So this in the cattle farming, what type of animals we are growing? Especially we are growing cows and bullocks. Cows and bullocks. Do you know bullocks? Yes, we are using bullocks for pulling of cart. Bullock cart is in village we are seeing generally. Bullock carts are there. So for pulling of bullock cart purpose we are using bullocks. For ploughing the field purpose. For ploughing the field purpose we are using cows and bullocks. Bullocks. Okay, these cows and bullocks are involving in the cattle farming. Before this one, what we discussed dairy farming. In that one, what we discussed cows, buffaloes. Especially, we are using them for milk products purpose. Milk and milk products purpose. Here, for ploughing purpose, for pulling carts purpose, we are using here cows and bullocks. So these cows and bullocks are involving in the cattle farming. And cattle like cows and bullocks are involving in this one. Bullocks are used for ploughing. So in them bullocks are there. Bullocks are used for ploughing. Is it right? Some farmers are using cows also for ploughing purpose. Some farmers are using cows for ploughing. Especially mostly we are using bullocks. What is this? Bullocks, not bullet. Okay na? Bullocks are used for ploughing. Okay, and fields and drawing carts also. Ploughing fields and drawing carts. Yeah, drawing carts means they are pulling the carts. And ploughing fields means, suppose if you want to grow farmers want to grow crops. Now this is rainy season. They started already ploughing. Nowadays we are using tractors like that. Okay, na? But even though some farmers are using these cows and bullocks to plough their fields. Okay, na? And it is known as, so these are also known as drought animals. These animals are known as drought animals. Drought animals. Drought animals. This is about cattle farming. Okay now. Okay. Now what we discussed in this one? In the primary, we are discussing now primary occupation. Okay. In that primary occupation, what is there? Mainly some works are involving in them. Farming work is there. Okay. What is that? Farming work is there. First one, we discussed about farm work. Farming. Okay. So who is doing this farming? Farmers are doing farm work. That one also called agricultural work. Okay. So farm work or agricultural work is main occupation in our country. It is main occupation, and this purpose, so many farmers are living in the villages in our country. So that's why they mostly depending on the farm work. So those are doing that farm work, that is called farming. Okay. So who is doing farm work? Farmers. Okay. So in that one, people are growing different types of crops. Is it right or not? They are growing different types of crops. So in them, especially what are the crops names? Grains. They are growing grains, pulses, spices, fruits. Just I am revising you, okay? Fruits and vegetables. This is revision again, revising you, okay? This revision. Okay, this is farming. So in this farming work, farmers are growing grains, pulses, spices, fruits and vegetables. Okay? And in that one, rearing animals are there. We are rearing animals. Rearing means we are growing animals. That is called rearing animals. In that rearing animals, mainly dairy product is dairy farming is there. Dairy farming also is there. In that dairy farming, what type of animals we are growing? Mainly cows and buffaloes. Cows and buffaloes. So these cows and buffaloes are involving in the dairy farming. From them we are getting milk. So from the milk we are getting more milk products or dairy products. Okay. And this dairy farming also important, most important work in our country. So in that one, cows and buffaloes are involved. And the third one is cattle farming is there. Cattle means some animals, they are growing some animals for particular purpose. So that is cattle farming. So in this cattle farming, mainly some animals are involving. Okay, what are the animals? Cows and bullocks. Cows and bullocks are involving. Cows and bullocks are used to draw carts and to plow the fields. Okay, so we discussed in the primary occupation about these three things. So these three are involved in the primary occupation. So in the next class we are discussing some more. Okay, this is about primary occupation. Understood everyone? Yes. Next. I am going to give a homework. Okay, you have to open worksheet. Do you have worksheet with you? Open your worksheet. Today's homework. WS means worksheet. Worksheet. Page number 6. Open all of you. Open page worksheet page number 6. Okay. In the page number 6, question number page number 6, question number 3. Question number 3. What is the question? What is an occupation? What is an occupation? This question is there. Okay. What is the question? This is the third question. This is the third question. What is an occupation? Already is there in your textbook. You have to see in your textbook and you have to write it with pencil here. 2 lines given to you. Write neatly, everybody. Use capital letters where you need, where you want to use capital letters. You have to use their capital letters. Remaining letters you have to write middle of the 2 lines. Some letters going up, some letters coming down. So maintain like that and write neatly. And you have to see in the textbook where is the occupation meaning. What is an occupation? See and write. Is it clear? So this is only one question for your homework. In the next class I will explain about it. I will write on the board. Is it clear? Understood everyone? So daily you have to listen the classes, digital classes, and open your textbook and read the textbook also. If you have any doubt, means you will clarify with your textbook. And those who not buy textbooks, you have to buy textbooks. Okay? Thank you, students.